So I wanted to make another cooking video because my last one was pretty popular, even though I wasn't really pointing at the food the last part of it. So I'm going to try to do better this time. So I'm going to do this one. It's a short one though. So this is Crockpot Swedish meatballs, and it's another one that arrived on my Facebook page kind of just out of nowhere, and so sometimes I take those and I like them, and so I copy them and save them, and that's what I did here. So this is the recipe, and I'll have it down below in the video description too. So all I've done so far is taken all the ingredients except the sour cream and the noodles and mixed them together in the crock pot. And so I have that cooking over here. It's been cooking on low for about 4 hours. And so next I'm just going to take the noodles and sour cream and mix them in, and that's going to be it. And it looks pretty good. The sauce tastes pretty good already. But this is just super easy to make. Probably should have picked a bigger pot to put these noodles in, but we'll see if we can get away with it. They look like they're close already. See, this is what it's turned into. And I just took, just like the directions say, they say just use frozen meatballs, about 1.5 pounds, and take them right out of the freezer and put them in the crock pot. That's what I did. Almost done, not quite. Go ahead and put the sour cream in since I'm sitting around. And we just need 1/2 cup, so that's half this tub. And I'm using the light, I don't think it'll matter, light sour cream. pretty good. Feels pretty good. That's pretty much all there is to it. I'll put some on a plate and try it, and I'll put down in the description how it tastes.